The average person spends 40 years working and retires with less than $50,000 saved. Not because they didn't work hard enough, because they were building someone else's wealth the entire time. Today, that changes. Here are 10 assets that actually put money in your pocket. Number 10, small business acquisitions. Most people think the only way into business is to build one from scratch. Years of losses, sleepless nights, and no guarantee it ever works. There's a smarter path. Right now, thousands of profitable businesses, local service companies, niche software tools, e-commerce brands are owned by people ready to retire. They already have customers, they already make money, and many owners will let you pay them from the business's own cash flow. You don't have to build cash flow. You can just buy it. Number 9, farmland. Warren Buffett owns a farm in Nebraska. He's never farmed a single day in his life. He just collects the rent every year while the land quietly appreciates. You cannot manufacture more farmland. The global population keeps growing. Demand for food never stops. Farmland has consistently outperformed major stock indices over the last 3 decades, with far less downside when markets crash. The patient investor who buys land and holds it for 10 years almost never regrets it. Number 8, digital assets and audience. For most of human history, reaching a large audience required massive capital. A TV station, a publishing deal, a record label. That barrier is completely gone. A YouTube channel, a newsletter, a podcast. These are real assets that generate income long after the content was created. Build once, earn for years. The creator economy is worth hundreds of billions of dollars and growing fast. The ones winning aren't the loudest. They're the ones who built genuine trust with a specific audience. You only need 1,000 true fans to replace a salary. You need 100,000 to never need to work again. Number 7, intellectual property. You write a book once. You sell it for decades. You record a course once. People are still buying it 10 years later. You file a patent once. Every company that uses that idea pays you a royalty forever. Number 6, index funds and ETFs. Most professional fund managers, with their Ivy League degrees and teams of analysts, fail to beat a basic index fund over a 15-year period. Not some of them, most of them. Consistently, an index fund gives you ownership across hundreds of companies at once. Low fees, no stock picking, no timing the market. When a company underperforms, it gets replaced automatically. Number 5, dividend stocks. Getting paid for doing nothing isn't a fantasy. It's called dividend investing. Own shares in companies with long track records of returning profits to shareholders. Every quarter, a percentage of their earnings lands in your account automatically. Reinvest that back into more shares, collect more dividends, buy more shares again. Over a decade, this compounding flywheel quietly turns a moderate investment into something that surprises even the person who built it. Number 4, your reputation and network. The biggest deals in the world don't happen through job boards or cold emails. They happen through a phone call between 2 people who trust each other. Your network is a living, compounding asset. Every strong relationship is a future door to capital, information, talent, or opportunity you couldn't access any other way. In 10 years, the person with the right network and an impeccable reputation will access opportunities that money alone simply cannot open. Number 3, income-producing real estate. Real estate has created more ordinary millionaires than any other asset class in history. There are 5 structural reasons why. The bank funds most of the purchase. The tenant covers the mortgage. The tax code actively rewards property owners. Inflation raises your rents, and time builds equity automatically with every single payment. Buy one property in a growing market, stabilize it, build equity, refinance. Use that equity to buy the next one. Repeat for a decade. Number 2, your own business. Working for someone else has a ceiling permanently built into the structure. Your salary is budgeted. Your upside is their upside. When you stop showing up, the income stops too. A business you own works completely differently. No ceiling on the upside. Built correctly, it generates income whether you're there or not. And if you build it well enough, someone will eventually offer to buy it, turning years of consistent work into a single life-changing payday. Number 1, high income skills. Everything on this list requires capital. Capital comes from income, and income at the level that actually moves. The needle comes from one thing: skills. This is number 1 because it's the seed everything else grows from. Don't treat skill development as something you'll get to after your finances are sorted. It is the financial strategy. It's how the clock starts.